All right. So I'm live. I'm gonna share my screen. All right. Well, this is working. It's pretty good. Okay, so in this live stream, I'm just gonna be making a game on Scratch. This one right here, Fishing Remastered. This basically, I'm just like making a fishing game. It's gonna be like a better version of a different one that I made. Okay. Um. So yeah, so far I only got like this art down. I didn't do anything else. Right? So I'm gonna move this dude up here. So now I'm gonna. Wait, I don't know why I put it there. So I'm gonna. This 160, 75. All right, that seems pretty good. I'm gonna make this like smaller, like 70, 80. Yeah, 80 is good. Set size to 80. And now I'm gonna make it to where like you can like move the arrow keys or A and D. Okay, so if or okay, so if key left arrow or A pressed, then I'm gonna duplicate this right there to be right arrow or D pressed. I'm gonna change X by 10 to 5 and this one -5. Okay, now let's test if that works. Yep, so that's arrow keys, and then WASD also works. Okay, now I'm gonna add like water. So there's gonna be like, I'm gonna make like this water, kind of like this. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be making all this art myself with like the drawing tool. Well, not all of it, maybe all of it. I don't know, but most of it. So then I'm gonna like copy paste that down, and I'm gonna change the color of this. I'm gonna make it like kind of like that. Then this color will be like that. And I can copy paste that again. Drag that down there. Make it like that. Maybe that one more time. Like that. I don't know. I feel like that just doesn't look good. I'm gonna make that one. That. Oh, what color is that? That's 65, and this one is 65.3. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, but darker for the last one. Okay. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty good. Alright. Why does it say sprite name? What? This is the background. What? What the heck? Okay. Well, I'm gonna make the next sprite, which will be the fishes. Okay, so I'm gonna like do the tail or like the end part. I don't really know what to call it. The fin, I think. I'll do it like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna like do like that. So I'm gonna make this one like gray. Like that. Maybe a little bit of blue. So that will be like gray bluish. that is pretty good. So I'm gonna like do that. Okay. And now I'm gonna draw like a little eye or something. Too small. That's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna just make. Alright, now I'm gonna make the fishes spawn. So when flag clicked, forever wait, pick random like 2 to 5 seconds. Then we'll create clone of himself. Then when I start as a clone, we will go to x minus 99999. Okay, and then it should like go all the way to right here or like somewhere right here. Then to make like the y position random instead of just one straight line, I'm gonna do minus 180 one. So I'm gonna check that. So minus 150 to 10. Yeah, I think that's already good. And then I will set size to pick random 70 to 100. And then it'll just hold on, let's just test this out. Wait, first I gotta hide show. Alright, they're just not moving yet. So wait until not touching edge. Wait, hold on, that won't work. Okay, so we're gonna so I'll change the X by like 3, I guess. And then hold on. I don't know how I would do this. Like, well, I know how, but I just the thing I just don't. Oh, let's repeat 10 times. Oh, this is what it was. Okay. Um, this is supposed to be a repeat until right there. Okay. So till um repeat until like hold on, what? So I'm gonna show this. Okay, that's x minus 190. So I'm gonna do minus 190. Okay, then that should be good. I can wait until touching edge. Then we will do this clone. Okay, then the movement should be working. Okay, yeah, it's working. Alright. Um so next I'm gonna like go into my backpack because I had a sprite saved here. The fishing rod. Okay. And then this dude should be working. Well, already. Um this has to be fishing dude and fishing dude. Does that not work still? What? Oh, plus 125. What? What if I put plus 0? Then it's down there. What the heck? So it's gonna X position and the Y position of this. Get this, bro. Honestly, I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, this is just weird, but I actually don't understand why it's doing this, bro. If mouse down, then if mouse Y is less than minus 101, or if mouse Y is more than minus 101, yeah, and if it's less than that, then it, yeah, pretty normal. It won't go down anymore. Yeah, okay. So it's somewhere like in the positioning. I don't like that. I don't understand why it's doing this. I would just like go to fishing dude and let's see how that works. Okay, yeah, well that works now. But except we have to like change the value of it. Hold on, just for now, I might keep it like this. Well, no, not keep it like this. Just for now, so I can see this better. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why this doesn't work. Oh, I just see. Okay, it's Y position. That was set to X for some reason. Okay, and then Y position I think should be fine. Then plus like I don't know. I'll just do what they did. What I had before 125. Yeah, no, that does not work. To like 40. Too little. 100. Close. So like 80. I think 80 is good. And we'll do that by 40. Okay, really close. 45. Yes. Okay, that's good. Wait, but first, like this, they don't have like any like spawning animation. They just kind of like pop up. So what I'm gonna do before it starts moving, I'm gonna like make it like repeat 10. Change ghost effect by minus 10. Set ghost effect to 100. All right, and then they should like kind of like fade in when they first spawn. Yes. Okay, that's good. All right, I'm just gonna check if anyone's watching. No, not yet. That's okay though. I'm just gonna keep on live streaming. And I'm just gonna save this really quickly. So there are these fishes. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying right now, or why when it like gets on the hook. So when I start as a clone, forever, if no, not that if touching fishing rod, I'm just gonna change that to hook. I can get rid of that, and then this will just be guy. Or if touching hook, then we will go to hook. Hold on. Okay, well what the heck? Okay. Well, that's not finished yet. So I gotta finish this part right here. Then it will, I don't know, go to mouse pointer with the other game. Well, with the other game, I did this part like really good. Okay, well, I want to make it to where like if the Y is higher than, um, if the Y is higher than like 90, then it'll just like delete itself. But then we'll add a new variable over here. Fishes. Okay. I'm gonna add like a counter for that really quickly. And so counter for my backpack. Alright. Then I'm gonna put okay, well fishes is already there. Then we get the fishes counter. Well, I don't know if that's really the one that I want. I had like this other counter in the other game. So that's not good. I'll change that. So hold on. I'm gonna like go into the other game I did there. Fishing game. Yeah, I guess this is also like a sneak peek of like the other game. this one's actually uploaded, so you guys could play it. So I got this, and then it's just like that. Oh wait, hold on. So it's like if it's touching the boat, then it like gets deleted. They all have different speeds too. Okay. So this is what I wanted, the fish counter over here. I can just put that in there. And I'm gonna rename that. Hold on, can I not rename it? What? I was able to do that before. Oh no, that was only with like code. Okay. Well, that doesn't matter. Okay. So I had that fish counter up there. Then it like sticks to there. So what did I do there? And so fish being held. What? So if touching fishing rod and mouse down, then we will change fish being held by 1. And then repeat until touching boat. Point in direction 90. What? Okay. Okay. I don't know what the fish being held variables for. Though. Like, I don't know. I just want to see what happens if I like take these both out. Like take those out for a little bit. What'll happen? Yeah, nothing's different. So okay, so it's just this that I need. I know this is probably being like not good at all. Kind of like just taking code from one of my other games, but I'm just gonna do that. I'll put that in my backpack for now. Yeah, I'm not seeing it in my backpack. I'm not seeing it. I don't know, bro. Where the heck is the code out? Where's the code? It's not anywhere. Like, can I just put the code in my backpack? Like, what is happening? I'll just have to like just memorize this. Point direction 90. I don't need that. Yeah, I don't really need direction 90. I'm just gonna delete all those from the other game, just optimizing it a little bit. Go to X position of fish being. Okay, yeah, that fish X that in fish. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I don't know. Well, I hope that you guys can hear me really, like, because I've been like talking this entire time. You know, if there's like a way to check that, I don't know if there is. But yeah, what time is it? Okay, it's only. Okay, I'm probably gonna live until like 8 or something. So maybe like another hour, then I'll end stream. All right. Well, yeah, this is just the code. Okay, that's what I gotta get. Repeat until touching boat, and then all that. X position of fishing rod, Y position of fishing rod. Okay, then change fish by 1. Okay. Got that. Alright, fishing remastered. And now, okay, so if touching hook and mouse down, I remember that. So kind of like have to like drag it. Or sensing. If touching hook and mouse down, then I can just like delete this. Okay, there we go. I want to replace that with like sky or something really quickly. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, that's a good background. Some clouds later. I'm live streaming. Well, I think I can like I don't remember what to do. Oh yeah, it was repeat until touching guy. I'm gonna rename this to boat. Alright. Oh yeah, I can just replace this counter. Swap variables. Now that counter's right there. I can like move it over maybe. Kind of good so far. It's actually pretty good. I did not think it would turn out this good so far. So repeat until touching boat. Go to hook. I think it was go to hook. On. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, and then we will. So then we will delete this clone right under there. Okay, now once it like gets to the boat, it should disappear. Yep, and now change fishes by 1. Okay, come on. There we go. I think if I set that to 0, then it should be in the middle. Yep, okay. Then you can do like, like minus 50. Oh no, that's the wrong direction. 50. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so change fishes by 1. Okay. Now I'm gonna like a little bit of variation, like not like the coloring, but like going onto the hook. So it's kind of like unnecessary, but just to like make it like look a little bit better. Not better, but just like more polished. Fish X. Then fish Y. No, not for that. Convert to fish only. Okay, then over here I will set fish X and fish Y to pick random 0 to 50 maybe. No, not 50. Not 50 at all. Throw it at 20. I feel like would be good. Maybe minus 20 to 20. Then minus 20 to 20. We will I'm gonna replace this with go to. And add like pluses, okay. Then fish X. Wait, no, other side. And fish Y. And then over here we're gonna add this of. Now we'll go to hook X position. No, what just happened? Duplicate that. Y position of hook. So you can put that in there and that in there. Okay, let's see if that works. Now it should kind of like be kind of like randomized where it goes on the hook. Yep, so there's that. Wait. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I should make the fishes like smaller though, because right now it's just way too big. 50 to 80. Okay, and then also one thing is that the hook is in front of the fish. I don't want that. So I'm going to put go to front layer right there. Oh, that one's tiny. I can't even reach that. Hold on. Why did I add this? I don't know I decided to add this if thing. It's way better when you just like move it around anywhere, you know? I don't get why this is here. Alright? I'm gonna add a button to sell your fish for money. We're gonna have a whole nother counter in this game. It's gonna be a bunch of clones. Get this fish counter. Instead of fish, I'm gonna make this new variable money. Okay. Bring out that money, okay. I'm gonna hide that though. I'm gonna swap variables. Money. I'm gonna delete the fish because that's useless now. So that one is the fish counter. You can move that over a little bit. I think like 100. No, that's the wrong way. 20. 10? No, maybe 0. Okay, I think 0 is good. To Y 100. Okay, then also 0. So this bottom one's the money. Okay, I'm gonna like little pictures to show you. This one will be the fish pick. I'm just gonna do this but completely white. So it's like kind of like a white outline or something. Or I can put that right there, but I can make it way smaller. I can move that. Put that right there. Maybe up a little bit. Oh, 5. Okay, I think that's good. Then when flag clicked. Wait, why don't I just add this to the background? It'll just make it way less sprites. No, that. Copy, paste, move that over up here. I gotta delete that one first. I have to delete all these now. Oh my gosh. So tedious. I should just link them. Grouper, I mean. That should be good. Okay, then I'm gonna add a money symbol. I can add like an outline that's also white just to make it look like kind of like bold. Why is it snapping so much? I'm gonna turn that on. Yeah, that's way better. Okay. Up the outline a little bit. Dang it. Alright. Now I gotta add a button to actually sell the fish. That right in the over there. Wait, it does not need to be that big. I think that would be good. Like a greenish. I'm gonna round off the edges too. So I'm gonna do like boom, boom. Then you can delete that one. Boom, boom. Delete that one. Boom, boom. Delete that one. Then boom, boom. You can delete that one. Okay. Then I can add like make that black. Sell. Like that. Okay, well, I just found out it's been 30 minutes since I started this live stream. It felt like it's been like 10. Well, yeah, that's the selfish button. You can, one flag clicked, forever. Where is it? Smooth hover. Then I should do that whenever I hover over it. That's pretty good. Okay, then I'm gonna go to, is that like right up there? 170, 140. Okay, one flag clicked. Well, no, not one flag clicked. One. It will change size by 10 because of this. It will like do like kind of like a smooth animation whenever I click it. Kind of like does like a little like, I don't know how to explain it. All right, but we will set fishes to 0. Before that, change money by fishes times, oh no, not fishes. Change money by like 5 fishes. Okay, then then if I have 0, then it shouldn't change my money at all. But then if I have a fish, then it should give me $5. Yep. Then wait, oh crap. Oh, I got, okay, the fish counter is on the top. I'll just switch their places. And then the other one is 100. There we go. There we go. Then I can sell that. Let's go. $5. All right. Should I like shift that like down? No, not that much. That. Oh no, I have to make it go up more than that. There we go. All right. So far, we got like the actual fishing down. We can get money. Okay. But he used up a lot of sprites just for that. We got 6 already. Gosh, and if I didn't make the pictures part of the background, then it would have been 8. Yeah, I don't know what else to add right now. Upgrades or something. So I'm gonna add like a shop button. So I'm gonna copy this so I don't have to like round off the edges again. Shop. With that. I'm gonna turn this off. That, okay. I'm gonna change the color to like a gradient maybe. So like maybe like red to orange or something. I think that'll be pretty. Wait, maybe I'll do like green to blue for that first one. And maybe like green to like that lightish blue. Okay. That's to enter the shop. Then this will be to exit. So I'm going to change the colors to red to orange for this exit because it kind of like fits the theme more with like the red. Like fits like the exit. There you go. Okay. Then I'm also going to add the how much blocks? That hover is 7 blocks. And then when this sprite clicked, change size by 10. If then else. If costume number. I can just like do this to make it faster. Costume number equals 1. Costume to exit. To enter. Yep, there we go. Then one flag click. switch costume to enter. Alright, then I will put that like over there, make sure it's the same x as that. 170 minus 1. Then got like a go to block. Then I'm gonna add a new variable, scene. That will just like tell like if we're in like the shop or not, like what screen it is. So one flag clicked. Set scene to main. Okay, then right here we will set scene to shop. Then set scene to main. Okay. Now I'm gonna add all the shop. First one, and I'm gonna like get like the rounded edges. The first one will be like, I don't really know honestly. I don't know what upgrades there should be. You know, I can get that GPT. I'm making a game on Scratch where you fish. I'm adding upgrades. What upgrades should I add? Strength, I don't know. I feel like that'd be just too hard to. Real speed wouldn't really fit the game. Casting distance also wouldn't fit. Line durability, that also wouldn't fit. Gosh, all these ideas wouldn't really fit because like you can just catch any fish anytime, you know. Oh, I'm gonna hide this for now, just so it like doesn't bother testing. Oh, I just realized it's only live streaming on the Scratch tab. Okay, well if you didn't really see, I'm on ChatGPT asking it what I should add. Okay, I mean baits is a pretty good idea. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know about like baits, but maybe like charms I can add. I don't know right now though, because it's not like an upgrade. But I just kind of like increase luck and like equip one at a time, then like increase luck or like money, like how much money you get. That's a pretty good idea. I'm just gonna tell it there's one depth and you can fish anything at any time. I feel like maybe I can like change the fishing system because right now it's just kind of like you drag onto something, then you just pull it back. I think that maybe like if you like, maybe I can like add something where you have like, depending on like, and then like if you do good enough, then you like get the fish or something. I don't know, but then that will mean I'll have to make fish worth more. So maybe if I do that, dollars and make each upgrade like $100 or something. So I don't really know how that would work though. How would I? Oh, I know how that would work. I don't know how I would make that though. So I'm gonna just make like I don't know why I decided to do this. This is hard, bro. I feel like I can just like stick to the old reliable, just the old. I'm gonna add something to it to like change it though. I feel like maybe it'll just like kind of like go slower, like the more fish you have. I think. Fish being held. Okay, fish being held. And of course, I'm gonna set fish being held to 0 And then here, I want to change fish being held by 1. Wait, no. I'm gonna do like when I start as a clone, change fish being held by 1. 720 already. Alright, well, when I start as a clone, change touching hook. And we'll change fish being held by 1. Then afterwards, I will wait until touching boat. Then change fish being held by -1. Okay, now that might though. I hope it does. I think it should. So first I'm going to test it with 1 fish. Come on, okay. There we go. Yeah, that works with 1 fish. Okay. Now what if it works with multiple fish? That's what I really wanted to test. I knew it would work with 1 fish. Yes. Okay, it works. Let's go. Then I can sell them. Yep. 60 bucks. Maybe I should change this to just like 10. Alright. Well, there's that. Now what I'm gonna do is like, honestly, I don't know. I forgot what I was even trying to add. I'm sorry. What was I adding? Oh yeah, like the more fish you have. I just realized this is capitalized. There we go. Okay, so I don't really know how I would do this again. Oh gosh. Feel like I I like do something to like move it towards my mouse, like, and if there's nothing, it'll just like, oh my gosh, stuttering. Sorry. Like, kind of like to your mouse if you don't have anything being held. Okay, so then like the more you have, the longer it'll take to move it. So I'm gonna like go to, no, not go to, I need like a move towards block, but I don't know if that's actually a thing. I mean, yeah, I don't think that's a thing. There's point towards, there's glide 1 second, but that wouldn't work at all. I really want to do random position, or not random position, but like go to hook, but that wouldn't work. Like, I don't know how this would work. I know it'll take variables, but like, I still don't know how I would do it. Oh gosh. Probably shouldn't be doing this fishing game. Game's finish is probably not going to be that good. It'll probably be, I'll make it better than the other game though. Yeah, I don't think that like fishing speed would be anything. I don't think we have to like add upgrades for the fishing rod or anything. Alright, let's see what else ChatGPT has to show me. Okay, it says shiny lure, slightly higher rare fish catch rate. I don't know. I mean, there's no like fish rarities yet. I was planning on adding that. Maybe I can add that right now. Like this gray one could be like common fish. So common. I'm gonna do like uncommon. I'll add like different prices for each of them, like based off rarity. I'm gonna like ask ChatGPT fish rarities. What should each one look like? Alright, let's see what it has to say. Look, yeah, that's the like the common ones. You already got those. Then uncommon, it's like kind of like more colored, slightly brighter colors. So like you can tell it's more colored. Just like that, maybe. That's pretty good. Okay, yeah, so it looks more like saturated. And then rare, so like bright and vibrant. Then I'll turn like the saturation all the way up so it's colored, like no like grayness. All right, so that's rare, and then epic. Okay, so like great. Okay, I think that's actually a pretty good idea. Yeah, I feel like this one might look pretty good. Okay, so it'll be like that to that, I guess. To white, so we'll just do like purple or teal. Purple, purple like that teal, I guess. I think that's pretty good. Okay, yeah, I think that's what it means. That looks pretty good. That is 75.3. 75.3. Go wrong way. Okay, then 2. Then 100. Okay, then 100 like that. Then this one will also be 100. Wait, I think maybe. I don't know. Okay, so that is 63.2. Then 51.4. Or 51.4, 63.2, 51.4, 63.2. All right, yeah, well, that's the epic fish. And then I will add legendary. Like, I can't do like looking rainbow, but it also wants me to like add like a glow around it. So I'm gonna do like a golden glow, I guess. Sort of like a golden, like bright yellow. It's like the best I can do for golden. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, I'm gonna like stretch this out to like fit the shape of the fish. That just makes it look not good. All right, that's pretty good. Okay, I feel like I should add more though. That's kind of like not that good. Kind of like stars. Not like the shimmer kind of effects. Like the ones that kind of like that. It's very uneven. I'm just gonna like. Nope. Okay, that's even worse. I'll just keep it like that. That looks. Hold on. I actually just really want to change this. It looks okay. It looks better. Okay, well that's pretty good, I guess. This one we're gonna like add everywhere. Like 2 or 3. I think that's pretty good. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. I want to like try to make like gold to silver for this one. Golden bright yellow to like grayish silver. Yeah, I can't do like the silver at all. It just kind of looks like a bad gray. I think like gold to like different gold, I guess. Like, I don't know, maybe like gold to like blue. Like diamond color, like that. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so I have to change this to legend. Um, so I'm gonna like, that's 15.6 and 53.1. Okay. 15.6. With brightness all the way up. And then 53.1. Saturation's like around like there or something. To 53.1. 66.4 saturation. The brightness has to be up all the way. What? Why is the outline different? What? 56. No. 53.1. 60. What was it again? I forgot. Oh, crap. I think. Okay. 63.4. Okay, what is happening? Why is it 66.4, I guess? I feel like that should only be for like the mythic. Alright, well, mythical. The last one. Then the outline will be like a gradient, like yellow to white or something. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Hold on. Like brighter yellow, like that. Okay, that looks really good. And like way bigger glow. I just want to see how this looks in the actual game and how the catching will work. What just happened? Where did it just go? Okay, yeah, well, it catches all the way over there because of the glow, but that's okay. So when I start as a clone, I'm gonna like do this like over here for now, and then I'll like move it in there. If pick random 1 to 2 equals 1. Wait, hold on. I think I can do like a different way to make this like easier because I'm not good at making RNG on Scratch. New variable name. So I will do this fish decider. And yeah, next live, I'm gonna like live stream like work like updating this game. It's like an idle game. I update it every day. I will put the link in the description when I make that. Or honestly, I can just put the link in the description on this one, on this stream, for this game when I'm finished uploading it, and for the one that I already uploaded. Okay, so I will put set fish decider to pick random. I'll do like 1 to 100, maybe 1 to 200. I don't know. Or then if. So I'm gonna make it a 50% chance for it to be the common. If it equals so if it's greater than 0 but less than 101. So if it's 100 or less and 1 or more, then it'll be a common. Less than that and then more than that. Okay, then fish cider. Okay, then we will switch costume to common. Then the next one will be if it's greater than 100 and it's less than 20 or less than 126. Then we'll switch the costume to uncommon. Okay, then the next one will be if it's greater than 125 and less than 136. Then it'll switch it to rare, so that's a 10% chance for rare. The next one will be 5, so if it's less than 135 and greater than 140, less than 141 and greater than 135, then it'll be epic. So epic is 5%. That's 142. 141. Okay, then the next one will be like 2% chance for the legendary. Then mythical will be 1. Okay, so if it's greater than so if it's greater than 140 and less than 140, then if it's greater than 142 and less than 144, then it'll be mythical. That's a big script. Okay, I'll have to make this pick random 1 to 144. Wait, no. 1 to 143. Really uneven number, but it's fine. I want to just know how much I earn this sprite. Dang, 92 blocks now. I gotta clean up these blocks. Alright, now let's see if this works. So there should be more comments. What the heck? No way I just got a legendary first try. Is that a bug or just pure luck? I feel like that's just pure luck. I mean, that's a 2% chance. That's kind of insane. But right now, even the legendaries only sell for $10. So I'm going to make a new price. Or not price, variable. Called fish price. Fish price, okay. Then if it's common, then I'll set the fish price to like 5. No, I'll just set to what we had before, 10. Then this one will be like 15. Then this one will be 25 for a rare. Then for epic, it'll be like 50. And then for legendary, set fish price to like 75. Then for mythical, fish price will be like 500 or something. No, not 500, like 250. Alright, so that's good. Now we just gotta find out how to like actually implement this. Okay, so I don't know, honestly. Like, I think I might need another variable, like total fish price. Like that, so that'll be the added fish price of all the ones that you have right now. Okay. Here I'm gonna just like change change total fish price by fish price. Okay. Then when this is the sell button. This is where the upgrades were supposed to be. So so over here I'm gonna set total fish price to 0. And then we'll change money by total fish price instead of that. Okay, so total fish price. Alright, let's just test if this works now. Alright, so we got that. That'll be 50. Then money should go up by 50. Okay, what about combined? Ooh. That's 10. 10? 10 for a legendary? What? Was that a mythical? That one might have been a mythical. Is it actually 10 for a... Bro, what? Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I don't know. Oh, hold on. We gotta set the total fish price to 0. Set total... No, not 2. Alright, so set total fish price to 0. Alright, now hopefully this will work now. Get that. That's 10, okay. 20, then should give me 20, okay. Let me catch like multiple at a time, okay. I want to like get something that's not a common, because right now I'm just getting a bunch of commons. Oh my gosh, it's just a bunch of commons. Oh, okay, there's a rare. 120, okay. Okay, that was an uncommon, so that's 15. Okay. Oh yeah, the system works pretty well, except for the legendary bug, or maybe that was the mythical, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why it does that though. I feel like that's just like Scratch being buggy. Oh my gosh. I want to have like an upgrade, like better luck upgrade or something. And every time you upgrade it, oh, it'll like cost like a bunch, like $1,000. Um, but like every time you upgrade it, it'll be like so the first time you upgrade it, you won't get any comments anymore, only things that are better. And the second time you upgrade it, you won't get commons or uncommons and so on until you can only get mythicals and like legendaries and epics. Yeah, I think the best that I should do for that upgrade, if I do make it, is like making it to where like the max that you can get, like the max best that you can get would be like epics, legendaries, and mythicals. Because I feel like if you like only get mythicals, you would just be like way too OP. Bro, I really just want like a freaking mythical to come on. I'm just gonna put. I'm just gonna like switch costume to mythical. No. What if I just set fish? Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if like that would work for the testing. I'm just gonna like set it to like pick random 140 to 143 or something. Okay, so then it can only be legendaries and mythicals. Let's see, legendary. That price is 75, which is right. No, what? Why is there an epic? Oh, and that was mythical. Okay, yeah, the prices are working now. Okay, I feel like it was just like a bug earlier. All right, well, 3 minutes ago, we've been live streaming for an hour. That's pretty cool. I don't know if there's like any viewer before, but sadly, but that's okay. I mean, I'm fine with that. Well, yeah, I'm gonna end the live in like 13 minutes because we're now at 7:47, and I'm gonna end at 8. Honestly, I might just like live stream like this daily, maybe. I don't really know. It's like maybe like 7 to 8 live streams daily, I guess. Well, so yeah. Of course, the time's different for every time zone. Um, Honestly, I don't really know anything else to add right now except for upgrades, actually. Or I'm gonna set that back to 1 or upgrades. So what I can think of right now is fish luck, which is the one that I was talking about. Oh, I gotta turn on that snapping again. Okay, I'm gonna change the costume too because I'm gonna use like clones for all these upgrades just so it's like not a bunch of sprites. Fish luck, okay. That will mean I'm gonna have to add another variable. I have so much variables right now. Well, I mean, so much variables for just how much sprites there are. So there's like a bunch of variables for like not that much content. I mean, there's not even upgrades yet, and I already have what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upgrades for all sprites. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop yapping about that and actually code. So it was min fish luck. And for all sprites, okay. Then I'm gonna do set fish decider to min fish luck to 143. Okay, then I will set min fish luck to 1. Okay. One thing that I actually still have to do, I have to like make it like open up like a new menu. So this will be like main. Then over here will be shop. Then I'm gonna like, I kind of make like the ocean like this same background, but it's just like stuff added to it, kind of. But I feel like maybe if I just like make like the sea lower, then it would be pretty good. I feel like that would be good. Just in case I want to make the sea even lower, then I can just extend that out. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good, honestly. That looks pretty good for like that. And now I gotta add like hiding and showing based off of what scene it is. Forever. If scene equals main, then we will show. If scene equals main, then show, else hide, okay. Then I'm gonna drag that into hook. Wait, no, actually for hook I can just do like if mouse down and scene equals main. If I do that, then I shouldn't do that. Yep. Pretty good, but now I just gotta like switch to the backgrounds. Backdrop. Right here, switch backdrop to shop. Then over here, we'll switch backdrop to main. Okay, yeah. Now I gotta just like right here when flag clicked. When flag clicked, I will switch backdrop to main. Okay, there we go. So then, yep. Okay. Now I gotta hide the counters. Or I don't know. I don't really understand what this code is because I just got this from like a tutorial like a while ago. So I'm just gonna like see if this works or not. How much time left? Okay, 8 minutes left for the stream. Or not. So if I put that in there, or C not equals main. Yeah, the scene right there. Okay, now. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, that works. Now I just gotta change that in here. Put that right there. And replace that one with that. Let's hope that works. Yeah, okay. Then the sell fish button. This will also hide. You also do have to hide clones. The sell fish. I can just like boom. And just so it's more optimized for this one, I can put that right there. I might also be able to do that for this. I don't know if that like makes like the movement like slower or no. Oh, I think I can like move that down to like Y50. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. One more thing. Yes, hiding the fish clones. I'm not gonna delete them though because I still want them to like spawn in. So when I start as clone, we will forever if else scene equals main. I'm sorry if this stream was like really boring. I mean, it's just my first time streaming, so I don't really know like how to make things like fun or anything. But yeah, I mean, we still have 6 minutes left. Back to coding though. Equals main, then I forgot. Oh yeah, hide and show. Yeah, scene equals main. Then we will show outside. Okay, now that should work. 60 cones. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and they move. Okay, and the fish still move. Okay, that's what I wanted. Yep, pretty good. What just happened? Why did my money only go up by 3? Why is it $1? Oh, I don't think it's $1. I think it's just like because of the not scene equals main. This is gonna be hard. I don't like. It's gonna suck. Yeah, I don't know, bro. How these sprites even work. So if length is less than digits, then we will hide. Or if the scene not equals main. Or if not scene equals main, yeah. It makes sense. It's just like, I think it's just Scratch being like buggy. So only hide if like it doesn't need to be shown. Out. From spawn. If I take that out, then it should theoretically work. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. This is so annoying, bro. I have to just like have that or else it just won't work. Oh, legendary. 7? Okay, well it wasn't because of that. The scene is set to main. I don't know, bro. This is actually so annoying. Yeah, if I can't fix it during the stream, I'll just try to fix it off stream. Bro, this is actually so stupid right now. Where the heck are the freaking numbers at? Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh my god. I don't get it, bro. I actually just don't freaking get it. Like, why doesn't this work anymore? Just all of a sudden, it just doesn't work. My money is literally 10. Okay, I just won't be able to use counters. Like, this is actually so annoying. I'm just gonna use the ugly looking variables. I mean, I could just do this, maybe make it look a little bit better. Let's do that. Like, the money is 10 and fishes. It will be easier to work with at least, and that's like a good thing. Bro, the mythical just freaking disappeared. What just happened? The mythical, bro. No, not the mythical. Yeah, it's the mythical's like glow was too big. That's why it disappears. And I'm just gonna like so I'm just gonna make this delete thing a different script. Okay, 1 more minute until we end the live. Or I'll just end it when I finish this script. Wait until Not, where is it? Oh no, not as in operators. Wait until not touching edge. We will, then after that we will wait until touching edge. Then if a mythical does happen to spawn, then it should actually work and not just disappear right away. I'm gonna set this to 142. Then mythical should spawn in every time right now. Yes. Wait, no, that's a legendary. Wait, what? Alright, well, mythical should spawn, hopefully. Oh my god. Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, it's just not moving. Why isn't it moving? I don't get it. But it's fine. All I gotta do is just like move this minimum like up to like minus 120, I guess. So if I show this, let's see what minus 120 is. No, minus 120. Okay, then let's see how that looks with the mythical costume. Okay. I could just like make this like a little bit smaller because that is really big. That. Yeah, it's still way bigger than the legendaries, and it's still pretty good size, I guess. All right, well, that's the end of this live stream. Yeah, so bye. Oh yeah, well yeah, I'll live stream tomorrow. Yeah, bye.